The Guardian Tarot by Beth Seilonen. It's a deck that I received today, and it's by Red Feather. So this is actually another deck. I done a review about the Land of Giants today as well, and there was also a deck that I sort of refused to get. Don't ask me why, but I was like, no, I don't feel drawn to it. And the same goes with this. I have looked at it and I was like, no, don't think it's for me. And I have had a total change of heart, especially regarding the Land of Giants. When I done the review today, the cards blew me away. Wow. Awestruck. And the same when I watched the video regarding this, and this was actually from one of them 11 favorite decks, current favorite decks. I have done a video about my 11 current favorite decks too, but I was like another one as well doing that, and that someone did. I have to write down the names of people who doing reviews, and if something catches my eye and I want to mention it on my channel, so I'm sorry, but it's like, watch them videos anyway, because you will find someone actually mentioned this and said it was like, oh, favorite, and that got me thinking, and being me, I don't wait around, so I got it and I received it today. So, and I loved straight away, straight off the bat, the box is so gorgeous. Look, little ribbon, magnetic box. Wow. And you see the text. Let's see. Let's have a look. I love the box. And we have the little book, acknowledgement, introduction, and then the cards. So no reversals, but you get about a page for each card. Let's see at the end. Do we have any spreads? Do we have any spreads? Yeah, we do. We have the guiding coast to coast. Nice. So I don't think, if as a beginner reading tarot, for example, and if you're not intuitive reader, then I don't think this deck is for you, because I don't think this is very Rider-Waite Smith. It's not. So let's put the box aside and let's check the cards. Glossy. Love the backs. Obviously you can use them use reversals if you want. I don't use reversals myself. Glossy, nice. Got a spine. Let's have a look. Let's say bit wider and shorter than a standard tarot card. Love the colors. Beautiful. No edging. Deck that I probably would edge myself in, maybe blue or pink or something, you know, like a pastel muted color. Oh, so we have the full card. Beautiful. It's like a card that makes me happy, actually. I got this like, wow. So I don't know, the Guardians, they have some sort of trees or naiads, or so we had a magician sitting there with actually a Ouija board. I Actually, when I first saw the name Beth Seilonen, I thought she was Finnish, but that's definitely a Finnish name. The Seilonen, the surname. But so I thought it was like maybe some Finnish myth high priestess. Stunning artwork. A really gorgeous Hierophant. Wow. See the female there. Lovers. I'm in love, guys. I love this deck. Strength. Well, Hermit all by him or herself. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. So instead of the Hangman, they have Suspend. What? So we have Justice, which is 11. Yeah. 12. And then we have the Death. Temperance. Devil. Tower. Star. Moon. Sun. Judgment card. It's a bit like zombie, but you see the silhouettes from the graves. World. So that was the major arcana. So let's have a look at the minors. So the Ace of Wands. Wow, I love the birds there. 2 of Wands. Beautiful. Look at the colors. Wow. 3 of Wands. Definitely not right away. It's like not don't see like 2 people, or like getting the impression that it's a celebration. That's still beautiful. 5 of Wands. 6 of Wands. Wow. 7 of Wands. 8 of Wands. 9. The colors are blowing me away. Page of Wands. 9 of Wands. Queen of Wands. Wow. King of Wands. Ace of Swords. 2 of Swords. Look at the colors. So that's the image on the box as well. 3 of Swords. Beautiful. Eight of Swords. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. Like shattered. Wow. Page of Swords. Queen of Swords. King of Swords. Once again, you have the feminine symbol there. 2 of Cups. Oh, look. 5 of Cups. 6 of Cups. 7 of Cups. So this for me as well, I get this in, of course it's a deck you can use all year round, but for me with the colors, I like this. It's like very spring colors to me, the pastel. Oh, look at that. News of a bird. Look, it's like the baby there in the clouds. Queen of Cups. Oh. King of Cups. And some, this like more winter with the blues. Is that the king? Yeah. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Eight. 9 of Pentacles. 10. Page. Knight. Oh, look at that. Queen and King. What a stunning deck. Well, I am very happy that I got this. That is the Guardian Tarot by Beth Seilonen. And by Red Feather. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. And big love and hugs to all of you who've watched this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.